a few years ago, I realized I couldn't even remember the last time I had something healthy in the grocery store. I was craving sugar, dairy, wheat, all these artificial sweeteners, all these artificial flavors out of convenience. If it fit into my schedule, then I would be able to eat it or drink it. That was me. I wanted to get healthy. I wanted to get rid of some of the extra weight that I was holding on to, 40 pounds of extra weight that I actually had at the time. I wanted to get greens back in my life. Juicing vegetables actually sounded like the best way to address this. It radically transformed my life. In 90 days, I lost 40 pounds. I documented it all online. I shared videos with all kinds of people all over the world. Thousands of people were losing weight. They were feeling better, all because of the natural power of green juice. I think nowadays more important than any other time, people are waking up and they're understanding what's in their food. And that's why Organifi green juice is all organic, natural, straight from Mother Earth. It's foods, these superfoods. We feel like we have to compromise, but in the many clients that I've helped, thousands of people all over the world, there's one thing that remains true. You don't have to sacrifice taste for health. You can actually have something that tastes absolutely amazing and have all the health benefits that are there too. Over time, I started combining stronger and stronger ingredients, more exotic superfoods from all over the world. It was amazing how these superfoods complemented each other. Blending turmeric and wheatgrass and chlorella and ancient ashwagandha that lowers cortisol, our stress hormone. There's so much misinformation out there in the world. All these things that are persuading us to take different action on our health in different ways. But one of the things that's been truest for me over the past 11 years is drinking green juice every single day. I knew there was something really special here. This was everything that I had worked for. It was time to present it to the world. I called it Organifi, and almost a decade later, my whole world has changed. I'm healthier, I'm happier than I've ever been before. We're here to help people reach into their own personal health and hit their wellness goals. And I believe together we're all making a huge impact on leaving this world a much healthier place. It's so crazy to think that it started with this. Started with a glass of green juice. And that's how it can start for you. Just drinking one green juice a day, my friend, and I assure you, your life will change for the better. It's something we say at Organifi every day, and we truly mean it, that we're in this together. So thank you.